We got choppers in the skies. I have no idea why, but on Monday we had choppers in the skies. And on Monday, this same very chopper, because I can recall exactly what it looks like, did circles around my work area. And I'm happy today that I'm getting a good visual of this helicopter. It's amazing that it's not doing circles today, but it is flying around the same area that it was flying around a couple days ago. So there it is, folks. There's the proof. Eyes open. I don't know why. I don't know why they're doing it, but it's not the first time. Eyes open. Eyes to the sky. And as a matter of fact, it is circling. It is. And I have no idea why. But this is day 2, folks. Not in a row, unless I missed it yesterday. But here we go again. We got a helicopter doing circles